So I want to cover Microsoft Word at a glance. I am Soyadulullah. I am a Bangladeshi, so my English is not native. Pardon me for mistakes. So I want to go to Start menu firstly. Then I want to type Word. If you don't find it, then type Word here. Then see, this is 2019 version. You can see the interface. You can see that interface. There is a blank document. There are some templates, and there are some recent file. Maybe favorites files are there. Okay. For now, I want to create a blank file, go to more template, and I want to create a CV well, for first time I want to create a CV. Okay, say I want to take this one, then create. Okay, whatever I think it's she. I am presenting this. This is me. This is Soyadulullah. Um, I want if I want to change everything, I can change everything. Even I can change color schemes or anything else. Objective of my CV, experiences, sorry, references, if there are any references. um, uh, my address, I want to submit my address here. I'm just viewing how to do it. I'm just typing, nothing else. Oh, for if you don't know how to type capital letter, you press the press and hold the shift key, so you can type capital letter and release when you type small letters. I want to show one thing. I want to change the color of the design, so I go to design tab and then I push this color button and I select. Okay, maybe I deselect that one, and if you see that there are these colors are changing. If you like any color, you can change it. Okay, I think that is a fine thing. Or control now if I want to go to the new go to a new menu, sorry, new document, press control N. Control N is for new document. That is a blank document. I want to cover basics of Microsoft Word. Now I write a word, a quick brown fox. That is something we usually used to, sorry, QUICK, brown fox jumps over the digital. That is something we use in training center to add up something, someone typing, how to type. Okay, so that is what I have done. I have selected by pressing the mouse left button and drag it over to A, and then I have pressed this button, increase font size, which has a shortcut key which is showing in the bottom. Then press it once, twice, thrice, as you like. Okay, or you want to decrease the size, then press this button in the right side of that. Right side, yes. I have a problem with left and right. I misjudge them every time, or many times. So then there is a font size. I can increase or decrease font size by numbers, or I can type number. Say I want a font size of 100, then I made this 100. Okay, I can decrease the size if I don't like it. There is fonts. What is the font? What is the font? Say you have a handwriting, I have a handwriting. Both of these are not the same. Like that, uh, Arial black and this what is this font? LX brush is not the same font. This is a curly. This is called for graphic designers. That is called a script font, and this is called a sans serif font. Okay. What are those? Don't want to mention. Don't want to say now. That if that is another topic. Okay. I can make the font bold by pressing the B button or Control B. As you can see the shortcut coming over there. Then press I for italic or press U for underline. And if you go to want to change the underline style, you may go to the arrow button. If there are arrow button in any button, so that means that has something else for you. Okay, I want to change it to double line and make it I think red color. Okay, then I made it red color. I want to strike through this. Okay, not for this. Okay, I want to clear it. There is another button to clear it, but for now I'm leaving it, but I will cover it. Say I am offering a discount that 100 taka course is now 500 taka. I want to cut the text. If I paste backspace, that will be erased. No one will know that the course is actually 1000 taka. I am offering it to 500 taka. Then there is a button strike through. I strike through it. I can find that that was the course fee. Then now it is 500 taka, right? So okay, and then I want to write H2O. Okay, not Alex. I want to go Calibri Light or any other font. I want to write H2O. That is water. Okay, okay. That is the thing. Some are bold. Just press it to make it bold and select it and press it. Okay, sorry for the language interruption because I'm not a native. How would you change this to a small thing? Yeah, you may change it to decrease the size, but I don't want to do this. I want to make it subscript. That is subscript. Okay, and if you H2O2 want to H2O2, that is such a hydrogen peroxide, make it hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and then off it. Then if you want to write a mathematical equation like a square plus b square, then go for it. Type a square a plus a2 plus b2, then select it, select the 2 button, select the 2 writing, then press the superscript button, right? Then superscript button. If superscript button may be activated after these two. If you go to regular style, if you want to go to the regular style, press it again. It won't be change this one, but nextly it will change the next letters. Okay, okay. I want to change this to a beautiful style. That is called text effect and typography. I want to make it something like this, or I want to make it something like that. Okay, or I want to put some shadow on the bottom. I want to put some outline in the that is color orange, or I want to glow it a bit with orangey color or blue color. Okay, so I can. Then if I don't want the glow, make it no glow. If I don't want no outline, make it no outline. If I want no shadow, make it no shadow. It's
I have a question.
okay.
How can I write here degree or Celsius?
Now that
Can
is
I
a
use its same process?
no. There is something in the insert tab called symbols. That is something you can find over there to write degree or Celsius. I think there will be some button symbols over there. I think that will be fine. Or oh yes, you can say 5 degrees Celsius, right?
Okay.
You can do that. So type 500 I think. Oh, that is also subscript, superscript. So make it. Okay, I think that is done, right? Okay, there was no symbol like a symbol like that. So make it like that. Fine. Thank you for that. I didn't know that, but that is a very nice
Like I
thing.
felt some trouble whenever I
Okay,
write down it.
okay. So that is fine. Thank you. But I used to think it. Then I said there is a button where I can change every aspect of the text and make it back to where it was. That is clear formatting. I made it. I pushed it and it changed it. Okay,
Okay.
except for this, I don't like this button anyway. This is a highlight, and if you want to change it, you can press the button. You cannot, you didn't get any result. So the only way to change it is making it no color. Eh. I have another button that is shading. I like it. Instead of this, I like shading. Okay, sometimes I highlight my work, but shading is the finest. I think I can change it to any color, no color or gradient. I think maybe no, there are no gradient, but gradients in the there are gradients in the text text color. There are gradients. I can change the text color here. Okay, and make gradient maybe this gradient but anyway I want to change it from blue to another color, more gradients, push it, and then select a gradient here. Okay, that is very complex thing. I don't want to want you to do it because you are not a designer here. So if you are a designer, then go for it, but if you are not, don't try this. Okay, or maybe you may, if you know, you may go. Then next one is very important, that is centering, then left align, right align, that's it. So make it center align, left align, right align. What are the purpose? Say if you want to write a headline, you go for the center align, which is shortcut Control E, right? Should be Control E, right? So that is a headline. And then if you want to write your obedient or বাংলায় বলে নিবোধক. Okay, if you want like this, then you may go for that, you're obedient, thankfully. Modern system also keeps it center aligned. Now I want to use a special function for text writing, placeholder texting. So I want to write is equal to lorem ipsum maybe 10 and 5. Okay, what is the reason to write that? I think there is a problem. Maybe that is the problem, or that is another problem. I don't know what is the problem. L-O-R-I some, or there should be a space between this. Okay, what is the problem? Why is it not writing? Is equal to lorem ipsum. There is there any typing mistake? 8 comma 5. Enter. Ram. Oh, I am writing misspelling it. Ram ipsum. I don't know. So, but anyway, that is something. We'll write some lines here. But if you don't find it here, then go for lorem ipsum in the internet and copy it from here to there. How do you do this? Generate lorem ipsum, then copy it as you like. Then right button, copy, or control C. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Sometimes I want to cut it. I want to put these bottom lines to the top. So how do I do this? Select it, Control X, that is for cut, or you can find it in the right button. Control V here to paste it over there in the top. Okay, so what is the reason I bring this text? Maybe that is a article, maybe that is a paragraph, a bunch of paragraph. Though I need some paragraphs to perform next. Then why specially I bring it? Um, there are many reasons. That is, one is justification. I cannot make you understand without these paragraphs. I need paragraphs to make you understand what is justification is. If you go for left align or right align, not right align, left align, you find that these are the in a same manner, but if you go for the right side, they are discrete. Then you press the justify button, Control J, or this button, then you find that these and these are in a same manner except the last one. That is the fine. That is fine. I want the last one to be like this. Okay, and I will go for this later. For now, I am going to mention space line spacing. I think and there you can see what is what line spacing is, but there are line spacing options that is more advanced. If you go over here and type 5, you can find that lines are a bit keeping a bit distance. Then if you go for line spacing option before and after and make the spacing to 50, then you find the paragraphs are getting a distance, right? So you can do this. And then I want to make it regular, make it 10 pt. That is original. Okay, that is fine. Okay, I think 1.15 is the finest. 1.15 is finest for a distance paragraph distance. 1 is also fine. Don't put it points something. One line will be penetrated into another. Okay, so next one is shading. I have mentioned it earlier. I want to make this a box. So how do I do it? Borders and make all border. Make it all border, or I want to make this border, this paragraph with bottom border and top border. I can do it. Okay, so how do I do this? That is the thing. And also shading, I want to make it a light color, light gray maybe. No, there are the names of the colors, right? Gray, accent 3, lighter 80%. Okay, so you may, if you want to go in further, you may remember name, you may check it out. Okay, no need for that for a beginner. Okay, then I want to make a menu of a restaurant. So restaurant, name a restaurant, maybe maybe Disaster Coffee House. Yeah,
Controversial coffee house.
they say they okay, whatever.
Example. Example.
Okay, house. That's how you remember it. Then put it over there, and I want to make it a heading. I can make the heading like this. I hover over them. I don't click them. I hover over them. They show me the style how they want to make it. Then I made it. Then I make it okay, and then I want to put them in a number. What are they selling? Coffee and tea and juice. For now, I am happy with these three items. But if I go for coffee, if I ask for coffee, they will ask, "Do you want a cold coffee or hot coffee?" So I tell, then They will ask me, they will submit me a menu that contains hot coffee or cold coffee. If I go for hot coffee, there will be latte, there will be cappuccino, there will be regular coffee, there will be black coffee, um,
Americano.
americano, like this. So regular coffee, okay, and make it black coffee. Okay, for now I am happy with this.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to um, is this two or three or four, right? These are not. This has to be one A, one B, something like this, right? So I put the button increase indent. I push the button increase indent, or there is another way. This is very difficult. I don't want to show this. Make it like this, increase indent, and then I want to select this and increase indent again. Regular coffee and black coffee, cold coffee, and is another issue. I can do the same thing to milk coffee, milk tea. I want to show it again. Milk tea, raw tea, and raw tea. Okay, select it and increase in that. And then if I lost the button, lost the text juice, I want to write it juice. Enter, enter. I it is wrong to write juice over here under C. I have to make it 3. Then how do I do? Select it, or put the cursor at the bottom, okay, at the juice button, juice text, and then decrease indent. Decrease indent is the magic that I can do. Or I want to put them as bullets. I want to I don't want to give them number. I want to make them bullets. And I'm not happy with the bullet buttons. I want to make them tick buttons or anything else. Uh, that is an advanced thing. I don't want know I should go for it or not. So I want to define new bullets. I want to make bullets, to define new bullets. Symbols. You may find symbols here. You may find something like this. Or I want a picture. Say browse. I want it to be like this one. Okay, so this is a very small, that is the thing, but anyway I can also change the picture size. I think so. um, okay, I want to select it and make it a bit larger. Now I can find that is the logo for game computer.
Okay.
Okay, that is one of my clients. um, okay, so that is fine. Okay.
Okay. How can I mention its price?
Okay, there is a system, I can mention it. Keep the question for later. I
Okay.
will show you for insert tab. Okay. Next, I want to find something coffee. Maybe find coffee. I type coffee. I can find coffee. Okay. So there are the coffees are highlighted. I want to be coffee. All the coffee to be milkshake. I have stopped selling coffee and I want to make it milkshake. Eh, I can replace the replace button. One by one will be replaced, or replace all. All the coffee will be milkshake. So milkshake, hot milkshake, cold milkshake. I don't know what is
Okay.
hot milkshake is. It can
It's
be.
okay.
It's okay. Whatever it is,
Can be.
it can be. Okay. So that's fine. And next, I want to go to insert tab. Now, as you asked, I want to mention the price, right? There are other options, but I want to do it like this, or smarter. Okay, later I will show it with smarter too. And there should be a button called insert the table tab, quick tables. Okay, there will be options are there, lots of options are there. I can change them to anything. Then I want to make it black, and it put a text box over here. Text box, that is a very important function. I want to draw a text box and mention milkshake is so expensive, don't buy it. Make it 500 taka. Okay, taka or dollar. Okay,
Dollar.
okay. I don't want to buy sell milkshake, so I want to throw them out.
How
Okay.
can I write dollar
Okay.
symbol?
Oh, okay. How can I write dollar symbol? That is fine. I press the shift button and press 4 in the press 4. Don't press it in the name pad. Okay, if you have name pad in your PC or laptop, there are many laptops don't have name pad. Don't press it in the name pad. Okay, I want to throw out the customer, so I make it $500 V. I want to close the shop. That is why I am selling in this price, right? So a 1000 taka for tea, and so much for the business, and make it 2000 taka for juice. Why I am doing this? Because I have a clash with the owner. Control C, Control V.
This price maybe Hotel Sheraton.
Might not be. They, they will be ashamed of this
Not
price.
dollar.
Okay.
They can receive taka
Okay,
for
that's
dollar.
fine. Okay, so that is done. That is done for now. So shapes are very important. They are also textbook. I want to mention them firstly because we have touched them. Shapes are very fine thing. I like shapes very much. We have rectangles. We have oval, then arrows, then star, or lots of that. Maybe heart shape, maybe lightning. Then make it like a lightning. Shape fill, you can change it to any color. Outline, if you want outline, then you can output the outline. If you don't want outline, change it to no outline. And if you want it to be thicker outline, that is the border, you can change the border. Make it if you want to make it dashed, you can make it dashed. Okay, I can change everything here. I can change the draw order. I want to make a logo with this, can be done. That is fine. That is the Adobe Illustrator is the best software to draw a logo, definitely. But anyway, if you draw it here, the press might discourage you, but anyway you can draw it here also. Okay, in Canva also, or Canva has some limitations about regarding logo design, but anyway these are fine. So I made a logo of something like this. Okay, put it over there, and I want to type a text. I am using text box for now to complete the logo. Like this one, I made a logo, text box. Say I want to name it lightning first. Okay, so then make it center align. Go to the home menu, make it larger. Change the font to Century Gothic. I like the font very much. Or Bookman old style. Century Gothic. Century Gothic. One of my favorite fonts. I want to make it bold, and I want it to be borderless. There shouldn't be border in the in a logo. So how do I do it? Select this one, shape format, make it no outline, and lightning should be color picker. With color picker, home, go to home, then more colors, custom, Mm, there should be color picker, right? Okay, okay, very fine. I want to change this to this color and make the first text to okay, make uh, gray brownish. There should be color picker, right? Right, there should be color picker. Okay, anyway, if there is not, I don't want it. Okay. Oh, should be color picker for shape. Uh, I don't know. More color. Okay, that is fine. Okay, it can be done. Okay, I made a logo with this lightning fast. Uh, However, you don't like it or not, right button make group and make it like this. It okay, and make it larger. No, not that larger. Must contain it within this and and put it over there. You cannot drag this text here there, but if you use text box, you may put it over there, whatever, wherever you want. Okay, I want this circle to be in the top. Bring to font or this one. Oh, sorry, this is group. That's why it's not working. Ungroup and make it bring to font. Okay, now I want to send it to back, sorry, then back, back or whatever. Backward means totally go to back, and backward is one step backward. Okay, I want it to make it like a thicker stroke as the lightning also. I want to I want to Control C and Control V it, and it takes write a text, add text, logo design, and change the text color here. Also be in the home table, so it can be found. Okay, so that is the thing. Next, I want to go to the most important thing in the Microsoft Word, table. Okay, table. I think that is after writing. After writing, it is the most important thing in the Microsoft. I think so. Table creates. It is created for collecting data or something like this. I can create tables like that. That is limited to 7 cross 6. In previous version there are a bit more options, but I don't need it anyway. I want to put it like this. When I want to increase the number of rows or columns, I just press the button plus. It won't be found in 2016. Okay, and there was I think or 2013. I think which version introduced it. I didn't remember. I am using 2019 for a while, so forgot it. And you can increase the number of um, columns, however decreasing them. Select them or select one. Right button, press delete. Right button, press delete cells, and press delete entire column. And now the size is changed. So I select the square here and press it over. Okay, next I want to change the table color. Okay, if you go outside of the table, anywhere in the outside of the table, you find help is the last thing. But if you go here, you find there are two table tools. Also for shapes, same. If you draw a shape here, any shape, and you find shape format here. I didn't mention it. Text box also that it also contains that type of thing. So for table there will be two tools, table tools. One is table design. I can change the color here to any selected style, or if I want to make it orange for this line to be, I want to be this line to be orange, and I want to make the pen color to 6pt. That is the and that is the increase. Okay. And if I want the borderless, okay, I can even put diagonal lines over there. Okay. I can put shadings over here. um, okay, whatever. So that is a new thing. And insert a table, draw table. I want to draw a table. As the pen color is orange, I want, I can create the table in orange. I want, if I want to change it to black, I can change it to black by going to table design and make it thicker, um, uh, um, thicker, not thicker. Also, the design of the table will be now with double dash, triple dash line, triple line. It can be done. Okay. Next, about the table, I can import Excel sheets, but I don't want to show this right now. Okay, forgot it. Control N for new file. Okay, I have to escape it. Okay. Then quick tables. There will be quick tables like calendar or something else here. You can find
For
tables.
example,
Okay. So next, I want to make a menu. Uh, say items, items, price. Yeah, press the tab button for quicker response. Price, as you asked, price, and enter. Then press coffee. Yes. Now I want to. Uh, I am opening my business, so I am keeping it to 20 taka. That is very unfair. Okay, that is fine.
that's not a big deal. It's just for
Enter,
registration
then
only.
tea for selling tea for 10 taka,
That's real price in Bangladesh.
and juice for, I think,
30
30
taka.
taka. That's fine. Now I am opening my business. I Okay. So I want to make it a menu. Okay. So convert text into table. Uh, how many tables will be there? How many menus will be there? I think number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Four of sorry, columns will be there 2. Number of rows, 6 column with no, I don't want to be 20. Okay, out of it with the content 60th column auto. No, why they asking me to make 20 rows? Okay, anyway, whatever, these are not fine thing. These are not fine thing. I am not very much habituated with this. uh, mm, okay, paragraph steps, separate text okay, for commas and others. Okay, others by enter, right. That is the thing I want to. So the problem here was that they want to separate text with tabs. I press tabs several times. I want to make it by enter. Okay. Now that is something. These are in the same menu, same row, right? So I want to draw a line between here, uh, price and, okay, then go for table layout or insert. Insert, you have the draw table button or same button in the in table layout. Just drag it over there. Okay. That is the thing that the color is here is set it over there, so no border, or no, keep it a border, and make the pen color to or black. Then I design it, no issue. Okay, fine. Erase, I can erase them. Okay, erase them. Okay. Another important thing, if you are writing a biodata, okay, um, some person is writing a biodata who has three wives. Okay, now so I want to name his wife, wives, VES. So he is saying that uh, which wife will I divorce? So I keep them all. So they make it three. Okay, I can drag a line or right button split cell, making it the columns to three. So his wife will be something like and whatever the names are I want to mention, and these are fun to make it remember. Don't take it personally. Okay. um, then also menu can be done with this one, this thing. This is very usual. I can do menu over here. uh, okay, then pictures can be taken from devices or online pictures. You go to there on this device, you select one picture, then put it over here, or you can insert pictures, uh, download from downloads. I want to take this picture, Control C, and Microsoft Word. Go to Microsoft Word, Control V, and okay, however it is. So it is here, and I can press it like this and rotate this. But one thing I cannot do right now is moving it. There is a move button, you can see it, but I cannot move it. Why? Because there is a button called text wrapping. We have to push it. In line with the, if you go for in line with the text, you may not change it. But if you go for square or in line with the text, sorry, in front of the text or behind the text, you may change them to, you move them, you can move them, you can move them. Square, as I know, is the best option, so put it square. Okay. And then online picture, you can go to online picture and search apple or search apple, so I can put insert it here. Okay. Next is I think there will be icons. Yeah, there are a lot of icons. Okay, so I can it can be put it over here and change the color, change the graphic feel, change the outline, whatever you want. It can be moved, right? Or wrap it in front of the text, or you may change it to um, square, right? Okay, there is I don't like it anyway. 3D models, 3D models can be made stock 3D models. There are emoji or something like this. There are dinosaurs, animated models. These are very slow, so I want to keep it simple. This one, and rotate it if you want, rotate it, or rotate with a system. There are systems. Okay, wrap, and I think it can be moved. It can be moved. Okay, no, it is automatically there. Very important part, smart art. Smart art is a very important thing, and um, I want to cover one, two, three, four topics here. At first, I want to cover list. Our service list, maybe our service list from Cadem Web. That is a marketing from my side. Okay, our services. What do we do? Okay, so I made the text a little bit larger, center it, and also bold it, or make a border in the bottom, bottom border, right? So now I want to insert smarter. um, okay, make it like this and write interior design, INTER design, exterior design, web design, uh, AutoCAD drawing, AutoCAD. Okay, fine. And training. Did I miss something of my services? Yes, I did, intentionally. Why? Intentionally, I want to put graphic design before training. So there is a button, there is an arrow button here which shows the outline. Then put the cursor behind AutoCAD and press enter and type training, TRAINING.
Not training.
Oh, sorry,
Graphic.
sorry, the graphic design. Sorry, forgot about this. Graphic design. Okay, that's fine. I am happy with it and close it. But anyway, I want to make it colorful or a little bit of designable. So there are designs. You hover over it. Don't press it yet. Press it if you like it. Then press it. And change color. There are lots of color schemes. Like any you like, you change it. Okay. Next, this is list. Then I want to go for a process, how to get admit to Karen web. um, okay, I want to make a coffee, how to make a coffee. Okay, that is, not everything is a marketing purpose. Okay, okay, so how to make a coffee, make uh, and I want to give it a title. Okay, text typing, right, type text, that is the thing. I want to make it, move it over there and type a text here, like write it like write it. I want to, how to make a coffee, how to train your dragon. Not like that, how to make a coffee. Okay, so make a coffee.
Cup of
Here.
coffee.
Make a cup of coffee. Okay, fine. So boil water, boil, BOIL, water. Then um, put coffee powder or beans. Okay, coffee powder. The in the cup. Put coffee. That is a similarly same process. Just have to put milk powder, by coffee mate or coffee mate, powder, milk powder. Powder, milk powder already there. In the cup, I don't want sugar, so make it sugarless and shake it with a spoon. Oh, put water inside the cup.
Water.
Boiled it, then putting it in the cup.
At first you write boil water.
Okay, then put coffee powder in the coffee cup, then milk powder in the cup, then I am putting the water inside the cup. If I do the water stuff fast, then sometimes it will float over the water. Some powder will float over the water. I don't like. I usually, when I make coffee, I put the powders before, then I Put the
Your
water later.
own process.
Huh? This is my own process. This is my own process, right? This is put water inside the cup and shake it.
Still you don't use
Shake
sugar.
it. I use sugar, but I for that
Okay,
is
the powder is enough.
I like sugar. Anyway, so how about shake it with the spoon, or spoon it. Shake means different thing. Okay, SP, right? That is the is this the spelling? I have a doubt on that. Okay, so anyway, whatever it is, so make it for keep it for small. I want to change the color here and make it like this. Okay, and close it. That is a process. That is process. That is list. Okay. Uh, then go for this is flowchart or process. Okay, process. That is the thing. I misspelled something, and then I go for the right button and I change the spelling. Right. Okay. Good thing that I made a misspelling. Then I want to go for cyclic process. Um, um, Cyclic process are something like this. I go to school every day, or I go to university every day. Then I come back. I eat rice. That's the thing. That is a thing. That is something like flowchart, process diagram. That is something I don't want to show it again. Okay, you may change it here if you want any one. Yeah. Then if you want to eliminate one, press backspace. Just press backspace, only backspace. That's it, and delete it. Okay, cross it and delete it. The next, the complicated one, hierarchy. If you see an organogram means that is say if a school had a headmaster under him there is should be a vice there will be assistant headmaster and another assistant headmaster and
You
there.
can use
Okay, I mean I'm making a use of it. Headmaster or principal or whatever. Headmaster. I keeping TAR. Assistant headmaster ASST head. Day or then morning. One assistant headmaster. As I read in July school, there was something like that. Okay. Then there will be assistant teachers there. TCHR. Though all are same, assistant teacher might have less or more salaries. That's it, based on their experience. That's all, or nothing else. I want to enter AST as I like. Okay, teacher. But if I go for tense or parts of speech something like this, I'm not good with English. I am at least not good with grammars. By the way, I mean I want to for now I want to go to layout and make it or make the orientation to landscape as I need more space. I will cover it again, but anyway, I have done it. Okay, so I am not good with grammars, not with Bangla grammars and not with English grammar also. Okay, but okay. So smart art. I want to go for hierarchy and make this one to be my design. Tense. Tense. Okay. Um, what are the tense? Past, present,
past, future.
PRESC.
Oh, need another box.
Okay, and need another box. I might go to this one and press enter. Okay, fine. or that is the right procedure to do this. Right button, you may go for um, uh, for the previous process like this, but didn't needed that because that was linear and now branches are there, but there are branches here. Okay, you need to add shape like that. Add shape after, before, above, below. I want a after and make it future. Okay, and then I want another to be the in the bottom, add shape after, so sorry, and the bottom, so add shape below. I want the below text and we'll make it 1 2 3 4, and also in the 1 2 3 4, and also 2 3 4. I just remembered there are tenses. uh,
Past indefinite,
okay, I don't
past
know.
continuous.
Right. Thank you. You remembered, but I forgot.
Okay,
I studied
not
a
everything.
little bit earlier
Everything
of you.
start
Okay.
with
So
tenses.
okay, fine, very fine. And now I want to move it over there. So that is the thing, and go for next one, that is called chart. I don't want to use chart here. Just giving an idea. There are some charts. Why don't I want to use it here? Because if you go with chart, it will go to Excel. That is a different issue. You use chart over Excel and put it over Control C it, Control V it here. Okay, so I don't want to go it here. I need is don't need screenshot. Screenshot is button is very fine here. Make a link. You want to, if you want to make a link, I want to link a uh, I want to link a document. uh, Say Vivash, you made some kitchens here. I want the image to be here. Desktop, I want an image to be here, whatever it is. So I linked it and press control click. So I found it here. So I can find that if I press control click, so I can find it here. So this is link to go over there. Bookmark is also there. Bookmark is also there. Very similar types of thing. I want a header to be like a cat and web inside. I don't know why he is doing this. Uh,
This is common sense.
this is common sense to um, if I close the phone means I'm busy. So cat and wife, I made the text over here and have to introduce another tool, that is blank page. I want a blank page, another another. Every blank page consists of this text,
Okay,
right,
okay,
with this design. And then also I can add a decline the call please. Then I want to make it chapter 1. Chapter 1 will be found also in the same manner. Okay.
okay.
Okay, next okay, so okay, so now I want to, what I was doing, okay, I want a cover page. Then make it like this or make it like that, make it anything. I want to keep it to a color, because this design is very fine, very I think the simpler is the best. But if I want to make it like this, because I want to change the color, it cannot be found in this thing. Okay,
Okay.
so I want to change the color from design, make it different, whatever the color is.
Okay.
Okay, so nice. Anyway, keep it simple. Sometimes you don't use gradients. Gradients means color differences in the same shade. Okay, so whatever it is, if you want don't like it, then remove it, remove the. Okay, also there is a thing, and the Canon web text also came here. Okay, why? Because I put at the heading here. Okay, okay, then uh, then I want to change the company address or anything. But if I want to make it like remove header, remove footer, I want okay, that is fine, this is Canon web, I don't want it to be Canon web. Double click over here, I want to write my name Soyadullah here. Okay, or anything else. And now I want to design for myself. I want to make it larger, I want to make it like this. Okay, fine, that is fine. It can be found same in the same manner in every slides except the cover. Okay, I want to give a page number to here. There are page numbers in a header or footer, you may find it here. Like I want to it replace the older one, but anyway I want it to be in the page margin, that is here or here, page margin, and make it here. Okay, there are two page numbers over there. I want to remove every one of them. Header, remove footer, and remove page number. Okay, now there is a problem. uh, I want to start with page number 7, start at 7. Okay, also maybe okay, I remove the page numbers. Okay, page margin. Okay, so starts from 7. Another thing, if you want different font page, different options, you may go for it. I don't want it to do it. I don't want to do it now. Text box, there are text box, you know. I have mentioned it earlier. uh, Also text box holds something important, that is I can change the text decoration to any text field, change the color. Okay, change the color to anything else. Okay, text effect, add some text effect here, like this. Okay, you may go for it. I never use that. Okay, okay, but it's just for learning purpose, but never use that. Quick parts can be auto text, can be document property like abstract part. I want to add an abstract part or anything else. You may go for it. Then text, what text art. I don't know why they put. Okay, that is fine. That is on the cover page, font page, but inside that will serve the purpose of this thing. I don't know what else have it content, but this somehow solves that thing. I want to do it like this and move it over and rotate it, or change the text decoration. uh, Change the text decoration to vertical, or I want to text align also if important. If you go for like separate lines, there are the blank lines, I want it to be in the middle. Okay, in the middle, right? Okay, maybe okay, fine. And also there are text effect like 3D transformation. You go for it for this type of thing. If you want, if you feel it eye catchy, then okay. But most of them, most of the non-designers make it terrible. So don't. Uh, if you think this is fine, then fine. Then no, no. Otherwise, don't. Okay, date and time, I don't read it. Equations, there are equations. If you go for equations like this is, I think that was binomial theorem, right? Like I forgot it. I'll learn it a little bit earlier. Yes, no, binomial theorem is that it has a quadratic formula. It was quadratic formula. Whatever it is, I can change it. I can change the values, or I can write my own formula. How? Let me show. If you are writing a math question, then you go for it. But if you are a general student, for most student, I don't teach them this thing. Why? Don't, they didn't know what is it. Anyway, okay. So more equation, insert equation, built-in equations there are. I'm going to keep the equation like this, and then okay, I can go for symbols, more symbols. You have symbols here, so I can write equation. Say 5x is um, less than equals, or greater than equals. Right, sorry, this is less than equals. Okay, whatever it is 5. 4, right? So whatever it is, I want to, if I want to make an equation of my own, I can write it. But for general student, don't try this at all. Yes. Okay, now go for draw. If you are passionate to drawing, you may go for Microsoft Paint, or this one. This is something eye-catchy. If you like it, you can draw it. You can create your own pen, pencil, highlighter. These are highlighter, these are pen, these are pencils. Sorry, these are pencils. This is also a pen, glittery pen. I want to make a pencil of thickness of that, for color or paste color. I don't know, whatever it is, whatever the color is. I want to delete one pencil. This make delete it. Add highlighter here. I want to make this like that. Highlighter is also transparent. If you want it to be transparent, then use ruler and press your put the mouse over here. Don't click it, and scroll the button. Okay, but somehow. Okay, so and then turn it. Okay, should be chaldal.com. Annoying. Okay, then someone should tell them they are so much annoying. Okay, um, we found them in spam caller list. Okay, so next we go for format. This is a YouTube video, right? If someone hear this, please tell them they are so annoying. I am saying that. So I can use grids here. Okay, and then design. I can remove the grids from here and go for design tab. In the home tab we found that, and there are something like this. um, why are not they working like this? Okay, whatever. So these are title. There's not working properly, but anyway, not a concern. Fonts, you can change the fonts here. Why don't we change here? Because we have the option to change all the font from the big document. It is maybe a thesis paper. I change all the fonts to Poppins or Century Gothic. It can be done in a just a press of a button. Okay. Now, as a landowner, I want to show one thing we do for home rental or anything else. I want to create a home rent poster, which is usually commonly used in our places in Dhaka city. Okay, so make a page border of like this one. I want to make it box and keep the width to 6, or I want to make it like this, or if I want, I can may go for this one, this type of thing. So anyway, I want to make it like this. If I want to change one to this two, so I can do this, but I want to keep it box. So I want, if I want to remove it all, none. Then make the text font size bigger. Home rent, and then center align and make it a bold, enlarge it a bit, and then smaller the size here. One bed, one kitchen, one bath, one balcony, BAL, for small family, some A double L family. Okay, then make it something like that. I don't want it to be bold. Make the font size a bit small, and now I want it to be a bigger size text. No, not now. I want it to be something like this: 77 by A Istanbul, Rampura, Dhaka. And press enter, then make it make my number appear here, but I want the number to be highlighted because want to get rent looks for the number. So make it a shading of black, or yes, black, because we go for black grayscale, black and white printing always in this manner. I want to, if I want to make it a color, that is base color, if I want, but don't go for it, because you won't get the color here, or also if you get the color here, so it will be expensive for you. Then control P, if I go for control P, because that means I'm going for printing, control P, but where is the color here? It was a cyan color, I think, but where is the color here? That is the thing. It is not. It won't be printed unless you make it a PDF. Save as, browse. I haven't show you how to save a file. I want to save it to Microsoft Word file at the first house rate, and save. And I want to make it also a PDF. I want to make it a PDF. I want it to be in the documents section, and save it, home rate. So you find it, and now you control P it and print. Okay, it may be in grayscale, so I want it to be color. Then print it if you have a printer. I used to have a printer, but now I sold it because it was not that good. Anyway, whatever it is. So another thing, if I go for a lecture sheet, I don't know, I did try lorem ipsum. Why didn't it work? Maybe ipsum, SUM, ipsum, say bracket and make it 10 5, enter. Not working anyway. Okay, so go for lorem ipsum is here, copy it, control V it, and this is my lecture sheet. I don't want any training center to copy my lecture sheet. So how about that? If they want to copy, they have to write for themselves. Otherwise, they may scan it and make their something like that. Or it can be confidential, or it can be something like this. If I go for this, the design tab, then make it. So if I go make it, want to make it confidential, that's okay, fine. Or I want it to be a custom watermark of CAD and web. Instead of confidential, go to the text tab and write it CAD and web. And for if you don't find the sign and shift and 7, not in the namepad list, and
7.
shift 7, and make it blacker. Okay, so now I can find that there are CAD and web sign. I want it to be my logo.
And
So
$sign shift 4, is it?
dollar sign shift 4, percent sign 4, uh, 5, shift 5,
Shift
at the rate for 2, shift 2, 3 for hash, bracket for opening for 9, and 0 for closing first bracket, curly braces or second bracket, whatever it is, shift whatever, what is the third bracket button, that is the third bracket one. Now don't go want to introduce keyboard. Select picture, select a picture from here. I want my logo to be here. Logo, no, not Get and Web logo. Here is Get and Web logo. This is a JPG, it has to be JPG or PNG. Then it is here, but I want to be it not wash out look, not get a water look. Apply it, and then it is thicker. If you like it or not, don't like it, change it or remove. You want to remove it, remove it. Okay, I think I'm clear with page borders and page color. Also, page color have fill effects like texture, gradient, pattern, or picture. You can put anything in the background. Okay, so I don't like it anyway. Chicas, no color. That's it. Layout is a super important tab, and the last tab I want to cover most of the parts. After that, references review will be covered in a short manner. Okay, I'm not that expert of Microsoft Word. I think you should not need this. For margins, I want to make it wide margin, so it moved a bit. If I go for narrow margin, there is a space here, right? Okay, so the margins are low. If I go for moderate or normal, I want it to be normal. That is the thing I want. But if I want it, then change it. Okay, next thing, I want the change the also there are options in custom margin. Here we find everything about the page layout. I can change the paper layout, paper size to tabloid or legal. I want to make it a legal paper, it's fine. Or I can change it here, and we can switch over here, and also the layout option is here. Okay, so orientation to landscape and portrait, it can be done later. Later size and orientation should be okay, load, make it landscape. Then go for 3 columns. I can make it 3 column. Left column bigger, right column smaller, like this. And if I go for more columns, I can make it to 4 columns or 5 columns, whatever I like. I can make it. I can put line between them, and okay, even I can mention the sizes of columns. That much is not needed. Okay, line number, I can submit line number. Breaks, if I want, usually press break can be created. I want to go to the next page, then I create a page break. That's like okay. that is the thing. Then go for, oh, indent is the thing, that is I can move it here, which is related to margins also. uh, if I go for view tab, I can find here the ruler, which is related to margins, and I can regulate them. These are very important, very important to regulate the, if you can control this, you don't need to that that is not needed. If you can control this, I think so. Maybe our other options are there. References, I want to insert footnotes. I want to write, this is taken from Gemini, is taken from Gemini, or this is taken from Google, this is taken from ChatGPT, this is taken from Grok, something like this. I can change it. Okay. Or I have taken this is from Wikipedia, whatever it is. Okay, so these are thing. View have some options. View have the page layout. Grid line is not navigation pen, that is the thing. If you have one or more pages, then you may have pages like this. You have two pages here, you can find it. Okay. That's it for Microsoft Word, I think. Thank you.